Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Greg's Kitchen. So last episodes we learned how to cook perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs in the dishwasher, in a coffee maker, and in the washing machine. Today I'm going to show you how to do a perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg using a hair dryer, one of these toilet paper things, and some tape. You can do it in a bathroom because that's where we are. So let's get started, shall we? So first I have 18 large grade A eggs. And what you're gonna want to do is put one in the paper roll. And tape up the end. Any tape will work. I just have this blue painter's tape because I was painting. So you want to tape it really tight because you want to have an airtight seal. Okay, and then this other end fits perfectly into a standard one of these hair dryers. Coincidence? I don't think so. So you tape it like this. Just like that, you see? And you turn it on. You want to turn it on hot and on high. For about an hour. We'll be back. Alright everybody, so as you can see here, it's been about an hour. This is ready, so it's important you unplug it first. Let's see the results, shall we? It's really hot. Over. Cut it in half. Yeah, look. A perfectly cooked egg using the hair dryer in the bathroom in about an hour. A little salt. Pretty good.